Welcome to Anesthesia with Babbar. In today's video, we will discuss important emergency medicine MCQs with answers and explanations. These questions are very helpful for all medical and nursing students, so watch the video till the end. You'll definitely learn something new today. Let's start. The first step in managing a patient with cardiac arrest is correct option C. Start chest compression CPR. Explanation. According to BLS Basic Life Support, if a person is unresponsive and not breathing, start chest compressions immediately. Early CPR maintains blood flow to vital organs and increases survival. The rule of nines is used for correct option B. Estimating body surface area burned. Explanation. The rule of nines helps calculate the total body surface area TBSA. Burned essential for fluid replacement using the Parkland formula example. Head 9% each arm, 9% each leg, 18% trunk, 36% perineum, 1%. In hypovolemic shock, the best initial fluid therapy is correct option B. Normal saline. Explanation. Hypovolemic shock is due to volume loss, bleeding, vomiting, burns. The best initial resuscitation fluid is crystalloid normal saline or Ringer lactate before giving blood if needed. A patient with chest pain, sweating, and left arm radiation. First investigation. Correct option B. ECG. Explanation. Myocardial infarction heart attack is diagnosed initially by ECG, which shows SAINT elevation or depression. Cardiac enzymes confirm later time muscle, so ECG should be done within 10 minutes. A child is choking and cannot breathe or speak. The best immediate management is correct option B. Back blows and abdominal thrusts, Heimlich maneuver. Explanation. If a child cannot cough, cry, or breathe, perform 5 back blows plus 5 abdominal thrusts until the object is expelled. Never try to remove it blindly with fingers.